Hello, English learners. Welcome to Camlish.com. I am Teacher Mela, and let's study the book Small Group Discussion Topics for Korean Students by Jack Martyr. This book is a modern approach to fluency in English. For today, we will continue discussing Unit 22, and it's about outdoor advertising. Outdoor advertising. Korean ads are not nearly as provocative as ads in Western countries. Let's proceed to page 87. And now, please join me in reading the passage. There is quite a lot of disagreement over the display of neon lights that fill the entertainment areas of every city in Korea. Most foreigners think the colorful, vertically written Hangul signs are exotic, while most Koreans find them cluttered. To most Koreans, these sign-filled streets and pedestrian alleyways are just more examples of the Korean tendency to plaster buildings with signs. Sometimes the problem is that, while undeniably eye-catching, the signs seem to be competing with one another for the viewer's attention, resulting in an overdose of color. It's a case of too much of a good thing, at which point what starts out as attractive becomes an eyesore. Until recently, Korean billboard ads were noticeably less provocative than the ones in Western countries. That really isn't true anymore. Some of the ads on subway walls would never have been permitted in Korea 15 or 20 years ago. Some Koreans think that they crossed the line as to what should be allowed. Look at these pictures. These pictures are sexually suggestive advertising comes to Korea. Mark Wahlberg in 1991, Calvin Klein underwear ads in New York, and two 2006 BYC underwear ads in Seoul. And now, let's proceed to the words and phrases. Exotic. Exotic. Unfamiliar and exciting. It's not the same as erotic, which means sexy. Unfamiliar and exciting. Not the same as erotic, which means sexy. Cluttered. Cluttered. Too many items squeezed together. Too many items squeezed together. Pedestrian alleyways. Pedestrian alleyways. Very narrow side streets suitable only for people walking. Very narrow side streets suitable only for people walking. Overdose. Overdose. Too much of something, more than a proper amount. Too much of something, more than a proper amount. Too thing. Too thing. It's good, but if there's too much of it, then that's bad. It's good, but if there's too much of it, then that's bad. Provocative. Provocative. In the case of advertising, usually means suggesting sex. In the case of advertising, usually means suggesting sex. Cross the line. Cross the line. Beyond what is acceptable, beyond the limit of good taste. Beyond what is acceptable, beyond the limit of good taste. Again, erotic. Cluttered. Pedestrian alleyways. Overdose. Too thin. Provocative. And cross the line. Alright, that's the end of our lesson for today. I'm inviting you to enroll here at Camlish.com. Again, this is Teacher Mela, and I hope to see you again in our next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.